There's a lot of flooding. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. As we can see, this is a vinyl lined pool and it's a shallow pool. If this pool was drained down right now, it would cave in more than likely. There's wrinkling. It's pretty sad because this one was just fixed 2 weeks ago from a previous flood. Straight down there, the side is out because, like I said, the water, that's standing water throughout the backyard. There is this section right here bowing out, and that's the water pushing on it. We have some wrinkling right here. The reason why I'm making this video is if you have a situation like this, make sure 100% to not drain down any water, okay? If this pool was drained down just a little bit, it's gonna get worse. Static pressure of the water underneath the ground is so great. You wanna hold as much weight against it until it recedes. And so this is all pushing out. This customer has well points. The only thing you could do is get a pump put on the well point, and it will take the water away from the pool, fully get it away because there's so much in the ground. And beyond this fence right here is a ditch. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't, but there's a ditch there and it's totally filled up. Pumping water away, you know, not sure how effective it'll be. Spent a good amount of money having the main drain that had popped up due to the rain. And then this was due to a night and a day of flash flooding. So it could be worse. But yeah, there's a lot of wrinkling, and what I suspect is that this is gonna go down in a couple of days. Then there'll be wrinkles that we'll have to get out. All along here is water underneath the ground. So just wanted to show you that. If you ever run into this, make sure to keep your pool filled up. Try to have a pump, you know, on the actual well points. And here's a well point, like I said, I showed earlier, and be pumping that water away constantly. Thanks for watching.